This is the afternoon weather update. This is for Thursday, the 31st of August. You know what this is? Last day of meteorological summer, which means meteorological fall begins tomorrow, but it won't feel like fall. We know that until a while, but still, I do think highs tomorrow for parts of North Alabama could be closer to 80, and we'll have some rain to deal with at times tomorrow. So let's take a look at the current radar. We're doing this live at 2:45 on Thursday, August 31st. We note a few showers and thunderstorms over the Florida Panhandle, mainly inland areas. Some of those could creep up into southeast Alabama, but the rest of Alabama is dry. And we do note we actually had a pretty decent water spout down at Panama City Beach earlier today. That was this morning. And again, pretty impressive. You know, I've never seen a water spout in person. If I told you that before, I'd probably say that too much. But one of these days, I'll see one of those. But again, that was taken down at Panama City Beach this morning. Here's a look at the upper air view. And note the L over Louisiana. That's an upper low. And that little feature will come in here and bring a chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. But today, pretty quiet. That's a visible satellite view, and again, we've got a field of cumulus clouds and a few clusters of showers and storms over the Florida Panhandle. And again, if you're in Dothan, Geneva, Enterprise, Ozark, Andalusia, you might see a shower this evening. Most of the state will be dry, very dry air mass. Look at that, Cullman and Haleyville, 81 with a sunny sky and low humidity. Very nice. 80s for most of the state. But South Alabama closer to 90. And again, Mobile, they've just been baking this summer. They've got 95. There's the watch warning map. Very quiet evening across the United States. Got a marginal risk of severe storms from Phoenix to around Las Vegas, Nevada, with monsoon moisture there. Same thing tomorrow, a marginal risk out west. And again, notice we're in the green. No severe weather expected, but we certainly could hear some thunder. And on day 3, which is Saturday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. We do think any showers and storms in Alabama Saturday should be over the southern half of the state. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals over South Alabama. Rain amounts there between 1 and 2 inches. Not much at all for the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. So, tropical fans, let's see what we got going on here. We've got Tropical Storm Idalia. We've got Hurricane Franklin, Tropical Storm Jose. The disturbance in the East Atlantic is Invest 94L. And that yellow X, number 2 there, that is the ghost of Gert. And the good news, now that Idalia's offshore and moving away, none of these will affect the United States. We see no tropical trouble, at least for the next 7 days. Look at the individual tracks. This is Idalia. That'll be pretty close to Bermuda, perhaps. But again, this will be becoming post-tropical and then warm core tropical again at some point this weekend, moving north into the North Atlantic. This is Franklin, becoming post-tropical this weekend. Our junk system, Tropical Storm Jose. This thing's actually going to be absorbed by Franklin at some point tomorrow. And then that feature in the East Atlantic, this is Invest 94L. That will be moving north and hook you up toward Portugal or somewhere. That's not even close to the United States. So again, despite the fact that the map looks busy, which it is, which you expect in late August, again, now that Idalia is out of here, we see no tropical storms or hurricanes for the United States, at least for the next 7 days. But remember, the season runs through the end of November. Model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And again, there's an upper low that's just west of the state, and that will bring a slug of moisture in here. And we will mention a good chance of showers and storms. Not raining all day, not necessarily raining everywhere. But a number of showers and storms around, mostly cloudy highs, only around 81, 82, maybe 70s, where the showers begin early in the day. So let's go to Saturday. And again, looking at this in modeling here coming off the GFS, obviously the concept is that the better chance of any showers and thunderstorms will likely be across the southwestern counties of the state, and a decent chunk of the state will be dry. Let's look at the 12-kilometer NAM for Saturday. This is Saturday afternoon at 4 o'clock, and we've got football games at Auburn Saturday afternoon, Tuscaloosa Saturday evening, and it still looks like those games should be dry. Any showers over the southwestern part of the state, south of Tuscaloosa, down toward Mobile. And for the moment, we'll leave the forecast dry for both of those venues. And again, the high Saturday only in the low to mid 80s for most locations. Not bad at all for early September. Sunday looks like a dry day. Sunday's high well up in the 80s. Labor Day, Monday. Mostly sunny. Again, upper 80s for North Alabama, low 90s to the south. And really, next week looks dry. There's Tuesday. There's Wednesday. And a week from today, Thursday the 7th of September, 594 heat ridge off to the west, thank goodness. But again, we have a very dry air mass in place, and again, should be just a quiet week. Much of next week looking rain-free. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 10th of September. And again, kind of a flat ridge down through here, and there might be a few little pop-up showers, but no sign of any high-impact weather event here for the next 10 days. Rain for Birmingham with that statement, as you expect, probably not much. The mean is about 1 inch between now and the 15th or 16th of September. And yeah, look at the numbers here coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. This is for Birmingham. The high tomorrow and Saturday, only 81. Then 85 Sunday, upper 80s Monday, Tuesday, then low 90s for the latter half of next week. And don't have today's 8 to 14-day guidance in just yet. The latest update from CPC, this is for the 7th through the 13th of September. Temperatures would still be above average with that old ridge hanging around. Roll that kid cam. Boy, look at the crowd today. Hackleburg. Saw the elementary school, the high school, everybody in the gymnasium up in Marion County. Goodness, we had a great time today. And look at that cake. Wow. That's just incredible. I mean, that's just great. But the kids were so good today. And again, of course, Hackleburg endured that horrific EF5 tornado, April 27, 2011. But goodness, they are so resilient. That town has come back so strong. Great kids, great school. So again, thanks to all the teachers and the administrative staff and the students for a marvelous, marvelous visit earlier today. So tomorrow going to be in Walker County at Summerton Christian. And then Saturday, no book signing this week. We are going to do our next book signing a week from Saturday, September 9th at Strange Brew Coffee in Tuscaloosa from noon until 3. That's before the Alabama-Texas game that night. That'll be a lot of fun. And, of course, we do invite you to watch us on the television side right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.